Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So if someone calls you and said that you win 10,000, 50,000, or $70,000, and you just have to click on that link and pay some amount, the deposit amount, and then you will receive your cash or you will receive your balance. So what will you do? You will forget it and said that is a joke or whatever. You said that you will forget that. But as a hacker, I will not do that. I will scan. My name is Umar Rahman and this is German Tech Study. It is the episode 3 of our constant investigation series, and in this series I am going to demonstrate that how to scan a phone number to know the locations of someone just from that phone, single phone number. And not only the location, we are going to search a single phone number on overall the internet with the help of Google. So in this video, in this episode, I am going to use two techniques, or you can say that one tool and one technique. Tools named as Phone Infoga, and technique you can say that Google Docking. Google is a very, and you can say that very powerful constant investigation tool, but most people don't know that. They use that Google only just for just searching that information that they want to search. But cybersecurity experts or ethical hackers use Google as a powerful OSINT tool from which you can gather the information. You just have to know the syntax to which you have to write to add to search the information you want to search. Or make sure that you subscribe us on our YouTube channel, and if you have not seen yet episode 0, episode 1 and episode 2, so click on the I button and check that episodes. So it will be very beneficial for you for your awesome investigation career or awesome investigation series. And make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will not miss any further episodes, notifications of any further episodes. Or first of all, we will use the tool named as Phone Infoga. I'm going to show you that how to install that or use that tool Phone Infoga in your Android phone, and then we will use Google Docking. Or let's start the video. So we are at our terminal, where first we are going to install and set up tool named as Phone Infoga. First I want to tell you that the version of this tool Phone Infoga which we are going to use in this episode is a old version, because the new version of this tool is not for Termux, is not suitable for Termux, and it is not applicable for Termux. But the old one is so you can also scan the phone number with the old. But if you want the new one of the tool which you have also the additional features of Phone Infoga, then you can also use that on your Kali Linux, or we can also upload a video on that. But for we are in this series we are going to use only just about Android phone, so we are use the old version of Phone Infoga tool. So the commands, first we have to open our terminal, or you can say the Termux, which you have installed from F-Droid and not from the Play Store. Make sure that you have installed the Termux from F-Droid, because the Play Store have not that updated version. So first of all, when you open the Termux, write the commands apt update, and after that run apt upgrade, then enter Y, and at the description box you will find the commands which I am going to use in this. I have write the commands there. First of all, you have to clone, and I am going to clone the tool. It will say me that it is already exist, because it a file illustration already exist. Okay, because you can see that the Phone Infoga already exist. So if you already installed the pip, then you first have to uninstall the pip, because you also need the older version of pip for this Infoga version. So first of all, you have to uninstall the version of pip which you have already installed. The common version which we have already installed is URLLIB3. But if you are using Termux for first time, then you do not have to enter that command. I have already installed it, and after that you have to pip install the URLLIB3 is equal to 1.26.15. Yes, successfully uninstalled. Then you have to install pip install this. If you are using Termux for first time, then you do not have to enter the second last command we have just entered. Then you have to enter some more commands. You will find that this on the description box. And this is a disclaimer that use these all tools just for educational purpose and just for little ethical purposes. Otherwise you will have to face legal consequences such as GDPR. So after that we have to install another requirement named as 6pip install 6, and after that we just have to go to our directory lscd phone infoga, then ls. Then we just have to first we will check our commands. Yes, python 3 phone infoga.py. You can see that our phone infoga tool has been run successfully. You can see phone infoga version v1.6.4 coded by Sundown Dev. You can also say that this is the syntax for the usage. This is the advanced phone infoga version of the tool. It is not suitable for the terminals. So now we are going to scan a number. I am just going to show you the syntax because I am not going to scan the real number. Python 3 phone infoga.py hyphen n, and after that the country code, it may for India it is 91, for Pakistan it is 912, and what is the and you just have to enter the country code of your country and just have to enter the number, and you just enter the hit the scan button and it will tell you the information about that. And by this you can scan a tool phone infoga. By this you can use the tool phone infoga and scan a number. So now move on our next step, which is Google Dorking. So first of all, to scan a single phone number on overall the internet, the syntax is that in text, then semicolon, then these, and then you have to enter with plus, enter the number with plus, and first you have to enter the code of the number which you are trying to scan. If it is the number of Pakistan, then you have to enter this code, which is maybe +92, and if it is the India's number, then you have to enter the code +91. So I can just for +91, and then you just have to enter the number, and after that you just have to make it close. After this you hit the enter button and it will scans the number on overall the internet, on the websites, on the post, on whatever where this number is written, in post, in reels, and etc. where it is written. If we want to scan a number on a single website or a single domain, then how can we do that? We can do that by site. We can do that by site, then semicolon, then the domain of that website. For example, we are going to scan on instagram.com. After that you just have to enter this and plus number with plus, then country code, then number, and then you just have to close this. You can also write the site at youtube.tiktok.com and whatever the set website you want to scan, Pinterest, Wikipedia, or whatever. You just have to enter the number and the site, and this is the syntax. Or by this you can scan a single phone number on a single website. Make sure that you do this just for legal purposes, otherwise you have to face legal consequences. So as you see that first I scan a username with the help of phone infoga tool, and then I scan a phone number on overall the internet with the help of Google Dorking by this. But this is a disclaimer again that use these techniques just for educational purpose, just for legal purposes, and just for your own safety. You can do these techniques on your own phone number. That's we will meet in next video. Allah Hafiz. Ma